Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to use PlumText to quickly extract text from your images and PDF documents. This is a powerful tool for anyone who needs to digitize physical notes, old reports, or screenshots without manual retyping. First, let's start by opening a document. I'll navigate to my PDF folder and select this report. The app is optimized for Windows, making it easy to pull files directly from your local folders or cloud-synced directories. The app will take a moment to process the file and analyze the layout. If you are working with a multi-page PDF, PlumText provides a built-in preview window. You can scroll through the entire document and pick the exact page you need to digitize, ensuring you don't waste time on irrelevant sections. Once you select a page, the built-in OCR engine automatically captures the text. You can see the results instantly in the text captured window. The engine is designed to recognize various fonts and layouts, maintaining the original structure as closely as possible. The best part is that this text is fully editable. You can make quick corrections, add notes, or change the formatting right here before saving. This is perfect for fixing any minor errors that might occur with low-quality scans. Now let's hit the save icon to add this to our library. Click confirm and we're done. The entry is now safely stored with its own metadata. Let's try one more with a different layout just to show you how consistent it is. Even with tables or complex headers, the extraction remains highly accurate. Again, we'll select the page, let the engine process it, and save the result. Everything you capture is stored in the All Saved section. Here you can manage your entire digital library. Each entry shows the timestamp, a text preview, and even a thumbnail of the original photo so you can verify the source at a glance. Clicking any entry gives you a full-screen view of your captured data for quick reference or copying. If your library grows, the search text feature is a lifesaver. Just type in a keyword like table or invoice, and PlumText instantly filters your history to find exactly what you're looking for. Finally, if you need this data elsewhere, you can use the bulk export feature to export your text or photos into a CSV file. This makes it incredibly easy to move your data into spreadsheets, databases, or other text editors for professional use. And that's a deep dive into PlumText, a simple, powerful way to manage your document data on Windows. Thanks for watching. Please check out other videos from our channel for more app tips and tutorials.